Daoism from the 21st of the 8th month of 1446. Daoism has undergone some significant recoveries. Kingdoms competed in ways that the paths didn't take so bitterly. Some worked them together, with each only adhered to partly. Tao Te Ching was falsely taken as dry philosophy, free-flowing with the eternal. There is adoption stereotypically. Confrontation is considered as not totally winning. Alteration of response is in the proverbial and developing. Assumptions of authority are not always in line with what they are proving. Devotion is more for those who are more socially impacting than those who are more individuating. Now, we can also say Tao Te Ching instead of with the D sound. And the conflict mentioned at the end of the poem is the difference between Lao Tzu and Shuangzi. Shuangzi was the one who questioned the existence and didn't have as big of a political vision of things. And the whole thing was the way. And you're working with the eternal, and eternal that goes beyond things. There's a difference between the eternal beings and beings that are considered to be immortal. Wu Wei is probably the origin of the ideas of the law of reduced effort. Because remember, as I've said before, one of the things about the New Age is it seems to be a bunch of stuff that already was. But they lack the personal and societal development that was probably more standard.